talking about the mobile app and using the calendar on the mobile app. So we're just going to go over some basic mobile app calendar, the views, different settings available, how to add appointments, and of course how to add notifications as well. So let's go ahead and get started. So first we're going to go over some of the different views and settings in the calendar on the mobile application. So a couple of things, we'll just start at the top and go to the bottom. So you can see here we've got our refresh button. Right next to it we have our filter button, as you'll see elsewhere in the app as well. So here I can filter just like I can for the desktop application. And so then now I have here, this is the agenda view. Okay, so there's several different views you can have of the calendar on the mobile application. This specifically, like I said, is the agenda view. So this is going to show about a week range. So I can actually click on this here and I can change where that start date is. So if I wanted to start on the 22nd, I can select here, and it's going to show the 22nd through the 28th. So I'm going to go ahead and change this back to maybe yesterday. So it would show yesterday through the 21st. Okay, and you can also just skip forward like such as well. So then over here, this is where you can change your view, these three little dots. So you can go ahead and click there. You can see I can change it to a day view. I can also see it based on the week view, the month view, which here you can see I've got 5 appointments on the 10th, and I could actually click on here and see all these different appointments, all 5 of them here, okay? And then of course, last one was the agenda view. I happen to prefer the agenda view. And again, just like any filters or settings, they're user specific, so they're gonna save between uses. Okay, so here we've got an appointment here. If I click on it, I can actually see here, I've got notifications enabled. So I can see really quickly if I've got notifications set for it. I can quickly delete, or I can edit the appointment here from here as well. Okay, so I was talking about adding an appointment. So you can go and add an appointment by this red plus button down here. It defaults to tomorrow, but I can always change that. Same thing with the time, defaults to about the same time that it is right now. It's about 1 p.m. So I can change it really easily from here as well. Select a practice, room location, professional, status, as well as type. And of course, type is going to alter your duration as well, depending on what you've got set in your desktop settings. And of course, I can also select a customer as well. And I can use this quick search if I had more of them, or of course, I could just select the ones here. And same thing with patient as well. Now, before I hit submit, I can actually add notifications as well. So I'm going to click this tab over here, notifications, and you can see I've already got some set here. These are my default notifications. So these were defaults or set in the desktop application. So you can use default notifications. You can also use templates and groups, which are all available in the desktop application as well. You create them in the desktop, you can use them in the mobile application. Okay, so you cannot create groups or template notifications or default notifications from the mobile app. That has to be done in the desktop app, but it can be used in the mobile app. So from here, I can go ahead and I can add more notifications and go ahead and clear those. I can add notifications here. So you can see I've got templates that I've made from the desktop application that I could add here. Could also add the groups that were used in the desktop notifications as well. And then of course I could add individual ones as well here, the professionals, and then I could select the duration, time before the appointment, as well as the notification type as well. So you have 4 options right now for notifications. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to actually go ahead and cancel adding those, and I'm just going to use the default. And so now my appointment has been generated, and there it is here. And again, if I click on that, you can see that I've got notifications enabled as well. So just to recap, we went over the calendar in the mobile application. We went over the different views and settings available, how to add an appointment, and how to add notifications to that appointment as well. Of course, please check back. We will, of course, be adding more features to this, and as well as more videos. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you soon.